Celebrating the birth of a hero, the spiritual significance of 4th Shaban and Hazrat Abbas, as, every year, as the moon of Shaban shines brightly, millions of Shia Muslims worldwide prepare to honor one of Islam's most iconic figures, Ghazi Abbas Alamdar, as the fearless standard-bearer of Karbala. His birth on the 4th of Shaban isn't just a date on the calendar, it's a timeless reminder of courage, loyalty, and unwavering faith. Dive into the legacy of Hazrat Abbas, as the Lion of Allah, and discover why his story continues to inspire generations. Who was Hazrat Abbas, as? The untold story of a Karbala legend born to Imam Ali, as, and Banin, as, Hazrat Abbas, as, was destined for greatness. Known as Qamar Bani Hashim, moon of the Hashemites, for his striking nobility, he embodied strength and compassion. But his true test came during the tragedy of Karbala in 61 AH. As the brother and loyal companion of Imam Hussain, as Abbas, as stood tall against oppression, sacrificing everything to protect justice and the family of Prophet Muhammad, PBUH. His title, Ghazi, warrior, reflects his unmatched bravery, while Alamdar, standard-bearer, symbolizes his role as the guardian of Imam Hussein's mission. Even today, his loyalty echoes in Shia prayers, sermons, and hearts. 4th Shaban, a day of joy amidst reflection. While the month of Shaban is often linked to Imam Hussain, as the 4th day holds special joy for Shia Muslims. Communities celebrate Hazrat Abbas's as birthday with illuminated processions. Streets glow with green flags and lights, symbolizing hope and divine love. Charity drives, Sadaqah and food distribution honor Abbas, as, who prioritized serving others. Nat and Marcia recitations, poets narrate his heroism, bringing tears and inspiration to audiences. Majlis gatherings, scholars highlight lessons from his life, loyalty, resilience, and faith in adversity. Trending hashtags like hashtag Ghazi Abbas, number 4 Shaban, and hashtag Karbala hero dominate social media, uniting believers globally in shared reverence. Lessons from Hazrat Abbas, as, for the modern world in an era of moral challenges, Abbas, as, teaches us to stand for justice. Even when outnumbered, truth must prevail. Value brotherhood. His bond with Imam Hussain, as, redefines selfless love. Embrace sacrifice. He chose faith over comfort, leaving a legacy of courage. Why Hazrat Abbas, as, resonates today from Baghdad to Brooklyn. Hazrat Abbas, as, isn't just a historical figure. He's a symbol of resistance against tyranny. Young Muslims wear Ya Abbas bracelets, activists cite his courage, and artists immortalize him in calligraphy. His empty shrine in Karbala, representing his headless body, reminds us that true heroes live on through their principles. Join the celebration. How to honor Ghazi Abbas, as, whether you're attending a local majlis or sharing his story online, let's keep his spirit alive. Educate, share videos or posts about his role in Karbala. Serve, volunteer or donate to causes aligned with his values. Pray. Recite Ziyarat-e-Alamdar to connect with his noble soul. Final thoughts. The eternal light of Alamdar Hazrat Abbas, as, wasn't just born on 4th Shaban. He was born to illuminate the path of righteousness. As Shia Muslims celebrate his birth, the world is reminded that true strength lies in faith, love, and justice. Let's carry his legacy forward, one act of courage at a time. In the shadow of Alamdar, we find the light of eternity. Crescent Moon Dove.